Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. My name is Avanteesh and I've just got my telescope set up out, ready to take some pictures of the stars because it's been cloudy for a very long time actually. So in my last video when I captured Venus, it was clear, but then clouds rolled in and the clear skies are back, and you can see the skies are very clear now. The sun has set, and tonight I'm going to be taking some pictures of the moon. So we have a nice first quarter phase of the moon out tonight, and it's a good time to photograph the moon because you get to see a lot of craters. So I hope you guys follow along my journey. Okay, so I've just got the moon centered in my camera and it's obviously out of focus, so let me just tune that up. I think the focus is better now, so the seeing is not good tonight, so that doesn't help in focusing. So I'm gonna use focus assistant in sharp cap, and that's gonna help me to focus. Okay, so I'm gonna use contrast edge detection. So here's the graph. This is my first time using it, so I'm not exactly sure how, but I guess looking at those craters, the focus looks better to me right now. So yeah, it's pretty good, and I'm just gonna reduce the exposure. So I'm using a low gain and an exposure of 2.6, so I'm gonna capture 9-second exposures, 9-second video of the moon. So you capture short videos so that you don't end up filling your system. There we go, capture has started, and I'm gonna capture a few frames, and I'm also gonna capture some close-ups with my Barlow lens. But anyway, so the weather did turn out promising. It is a super clear night and the tracking of my mount is very good. I'm tracking at a rate of lunar, which is the way you need to track to photograph the moon. And here is the moon. The atmospheric seeing is not that good. It's normal, but still I can get some good frames. A full disk image of the moon is gonna be good. Okay, so I've got a 3x Barlow lens attached now, and I can get some nice close-ups, and you can see the moon looks seemingly dim because I reduced down the exposure significantly, and I don't want to increase the exposure because again I'll lose some frame rate, so I will work with a dim image. So I'm gonna select the region of interest and capture this specific crater you see right here. This is gonna be fun. I like doing that. I love this phase of the moon so much because I get to see a lot of craters and the shadows are simply terrific, so I'm really enjoying capturing this. So I'm gonna end the video now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video footage and the final pictures. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. This is Avanteesh from Deep Sky Hunter, and I wish you all clear skies. Thank you.